तय करें कि 2019 जब महात्मा गांधी की 150वीं जयंती बनाएंगे, हमारा गांव, हमारा शहर, हमारा गली, हमारा मोहल्ला, हमारी स्कूल, हमारे मंदिर, हमारी अस्पताल, सभी क्षेत्र गंदगी का नामो निशान नहीं रहने देंगे।
Prime Minister's call was received with an enthusiastic response across the country, and the various ministries took up many initiatives to further the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Health and cleanliness go hand in hand. Several diseases are born in unclean environment. To encourage public health facilities, to promote hygiene and infection control practices, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare instituted the Kaya Kalp Award scheme on 15th of May 2015. A careful list of parameters were laid down for the Kaya Kalp Awards: hospital upkeep, sanitation and hygiene, waste management, infection control, support services and hygiene promotion. Kaya Kalp has truly transformed the government hospitals in many states of India.
हमने जन भागीदारी से और लोगों से मिलकर पहले रोड बनवाया। पेशेंट को बैठने के लिए जगह नहीं थी प्रॉपर, तो बैठने के लिए हमने एक शेड बनवाया। अस्पताल में भी काफ़ी गंदगी रहती थी, यानी सफाई उतनी नहीं थी, क्लीननेस नहीं थी। पुराना अस्पताल था, उतना रेनोवेशन नहीं हुआ था, तो उसको पूरा रेनोवेट किया, टाइल्स लगी तो थोड़ी सफाई रहने लगी और पूरे टाइम क्लीनिंग होने लगी। क्लास 4 के जो हमारे स्वीपर हैं उन सबको ट्रेनिंग दी कि किस तरह से इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल होता है, बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट में हमें क्या क्या करना है, सेग्रीगेशन किस तरह से होता है, लाल, पीला और नीला, इस तरह से अलग अलग हमने उनको सब चीज़ें बताई।
Kaya Kalp has not only created a spirit of healthy competition amongst health institutions, it has also gone a long way in changing people's perception towards government hospitals.
अब बहुत सुधार है यहाँ पर। हम सीओर भोपाल में भी दिए हैं 15 दिन, सीओर में भी दिए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ की जगहों की सफाई बहुत अच्छी लगी हमें।
Earlier, this compound was very dirty and very shabby looks. There's no systematic organization. But after this 1 year, means last year, 2016, all the lots of things have taken place here, and now everything's the face changes.
पहले हमारे यहाँ 58% प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूट में डिलीवरी होती थी, 48 हमारे यहाँ। कायाकल्प आने के बाद हम लोगों ने रेशियो रिवर्स कर दिया। अब 58% इंस्टीट्यूशनल डिलीवरी पब्लिक में हो रही है और धीरे धीरे प्राइवेट में कम हो रही है।
Strengthening Kaya Kalp initiative and its linkages with Swachh Bharat mission, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare joined hands with the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation to launch yet another fruitful initiative in 2016, the Swachh Swasth Sarvatra scheme. On one hand, it aims at improving the hygiene levels of community health centers in open defecation-free blocks, and on the other, making blocks around Kaya Kalp awarded primary health centers free of open defecation. Under the Swachh Swasth Sarvatra scheme, selection of community health centers has been undertaken in each district. In the first stage, all the community health centers in 708 open defecation-free blocks will be improved to Kaya Kalp standards, and an additional funding of rupees 10 lakhs will be given to each community health center to improve its hygiene levels. Innovative training programs have been designed for nominees of the primary and community health centers. Kaya Kalp and Swachh Swasth Sarvatra initiative together are striving to achieve Prime Minister's dream of open defecation-free and clean India by 2019. Across the country, thousands of health workers are working tirelessly to make this dream possible and make sure that every citizen in this country has a healthy future.